Get a feel for the 2023 Chevrolet Express. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-built Express that delivers solid capability, versatility, and modern connectivity. Powerful and spacious, it's poised to give your business the competitive advantage. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, heated mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, stability control, rear-wheel drive, 8-speed AT. Feel bold about your business plan with this reliable Express at your command. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.